Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to convert your sales order to purchase order. So it's going to be very easy and simple video. First you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard here you can go to all apps to open all of your available apps and go to inventory section, and you will find sales order here. Click on it, and then you will be in the sales orders page, and you will find all of your sales order here. In my case, I only have one here. So let's say I want to convert this sales order to purchase order. I'm just gonna get like this, go to far right, and you will find action option. Click the drop down and you will find convert to purchase order. You can click on it, and then your sales order has converted to the purchase order. So make sure all of the details are correct, and then you can just click save and close, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.